In this video, I'm going to talk about your higher self and how to use it. Now, most information I got from this was from Robert Bruce, and he has many different books. He's got Astral Dynamics and Energy Work and a few other ones, so I highly recommend looking at his work. He's very smart at what he does. So to start, the more you realize that you are not separate from the universe, that you are a part of the universe, and that you embrace it, the more you'll be connected to everything, including your higher self. Your higher self exists all around you. It is the silence between your thoughts. Source responds to and is attracted by love. Source is love. If Source diminishes in your body, inner conflict and states of dis-ease are created. Your higher self is infinitely patient and nothing is too much trouble. When asking for things in the physical or astral world, you do not need to beg for anything. You need to keep commands simple and affirmations specific. It also helps to express love, gratitude, and respect to your higher self. You can communicate to your higher self using present tense affirmations. Affirmations are best spoken aloud because it activates the throat chakra. The more you repeat the affirmations, the more your higher self will realize and give you what you want. Sometimes you can use this our shower times, when you're walking or when you're driving to work or anywhere. And part of developing any ability or any manifestation is convincing your higher self that it's okay to have what you desire. So you can do this by repeating the affirmations daily. If you get distracted, your progress will stop. You can observe this in the astral realm. If you want to be taken somewhere, you use the affirmation, I am at so-and-so's place, and you'll be lifted by this force and you'll be guided there. But if you start looking at something and focus on it, your focus will seem as your desire and your higher self will act accordingly and put you where that focus is. So if you get distracted, your progress will stop. The affirmations need to be simple and clear. I'm going to talk about a sickness I had a few days ago and how I used affirmations to basically get rid of the sickness. I found these affirmations in Robert Bruce's The Practical Psychic Defense Handbook, and this is the core affirmation, and I'll read it to you, and this is a powerful affirmation you can use. I am loved and I am worthy. I am safe and I am free. I am powerfully protected. I am the master of my body and ruler of my mind. So that was the core affirmation. And what I did is I recorded myself saying that and looped it for about 10 minutes and then put it on my phone and listened to it throughout the day and put it on speaker as I fell asleep. And within like 3 days, I was completely fine from headaches and laying on the couch all day long for about a week. I played that and I felt considerably better and I got much better sleep. Another thing to note is that your higher self is infinitely patient and loving. Like I said before, nothing is too much trouble for it. The presence of your higher self can be compared to as a grandparent. Wise, loving, and patient. At this point in time, that's the most important things I've learned about the higher self. If there's anything else that is more important, I will make a future video in regards to the higher self. If you want more of these videos talking about your higher self, astral projection experiences, meditations, and other books and important chunks that I read, then you'll want to hit the subscribe button. Also, please hit the like button if you want to see more videos like this every week.